What's going on, my planet cravers? It's your girl Sondie. I am back with another video. Alright guys, we are going to be doing my check-in, see how I'm doing. I'm supposed to be doing a 95% no spend. We have to check and see how I am doing. And I could say it's been tough, but at the same time, I can't really tell you that. It really, I don't know, it's just maybe when I have set in my mind that I don't need something, it would makes it a lot better. So guys, for the weekly check-in, what I do, if you are new to my channel, I do a weekly check-in to track my spending. I use this weekly check-in here that I create in my Etsy shop that's available. And I pretty much track, so last week's numbers, I use last week's numbers, what I ended up at, and, you know, put what I spent and then calculate from there. So my groceries for the month was $300. Shopping, if I did any shopping, was $100 I gave myself. Etsy, $100, because sometimes I need stuff for the shop. And the unbudgeted. You never can prepare for the unbudgeted. So if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I do want to let you guys know that I am on the road to 1K. Now, what does that mean? Yesterday, if you do not know, there are people who know about it. And for my supporters who have been here, thank you for being a supporter, and thank you for you know, just coming with me throughout these whole journeys that I've been on. I'm on the road to 1K. And what does that mean? So right now, until I get to where I'm getting to, is my plan is I'm on the road to 1K with YouTube, and I'm on the road to 1K as far as my savings. So guys, what that means is I'm gonna have to really grind it out. So let's check and see where I'm at as far, because I have my videos planned out. I did my June 2nd paycheck video. I still have to do an Etsy shop one. I did my Cricut tutorial, which I will be coming out with another Cricut tutorial. My July budget. It's funny because that one had just, you guys had saw that came out Wednesday. And then here's another weekly check-in. So it's funny because I wanted my weekly check-ins to come out on Fridays. Those got pushed. So right now, this is the weekly check-in. All right, so I'm just checking because I do schedule, you know, videos. Like I do my paycheck one. So that's cool. Not too bad. So guys, let's get into this video and see how I've done. How I've, you know, did last week, because of course this is the week after. So let's go ahead and zoom in for a second. I just want to let you know I have some no spends in here. I do. So most of what I've been doing, of course, spending is food. I mean, you need food, right? So that does not, you need food. You know, you can't just say, oh, that's a spend. Like, no, for real, I need food. So, and last week I spent food, Etsy, food, and food. Okay, so that's just that is where I see, you know, I spend money. So let's do this. All right. So right now, what I'm going to do, we're going to bring out big boy here. We got the calculator, and could I see I have a Etsy purchase and food, and that's all I got. Literally for last week. So let's go ahead and do some calculations. And food, now what I consider to be food is I could be going out to fast food restaurants, I can go out to eat, and also grocery shop. That is considered food for me because it's food that you need. 704 plus 18. So there's some days I go to the grocery store and, you know, just get something for just like stuff that I'm missing, like for dinner that day or the next day or whenever. And then there's days where I just because these bigger balances are actually, it's kind of crazy because I keep, oh, I need this, oh, I need that, like, oh man. So right now we're at $73.84 for food. Now Saturday we celebrated Babe's birthday, and because his birthday is Wednesday, so just go ahead and calculate that because that is per food. You know that I take this out of my food. So for last week, wow. And it's so funny, you would never think that you have spent this much. It's $127.37 that I spent on food. Oh wow, you wouldn't think. I'd be like, really, did I spend that much? So first things you see here is groceries. So last week I ended up with $262.97. This week I spent $127.37. Okay, I'm just gonna do it this way. 97. Ooh, nope, start over. 200. Ooh. Why do I keep doing that? $262.97 minus the total of $127.37. We got remaining total balance $135.60 left of the grocery bill for this month. Shopping, I did not do any shopping. That was not too bad. So right now, I did no shopping. We're going to bring down this $84.24 balance down here. Etsy, yes, we did do some shopping with Etsy. And what was that? Let's take a look. So with my Etsy, $31.95. So I've been on a sale. If you do not follow me on my Instagram, I have an Etsy shop. I sell stickers to customize your planner. So most will say about 95% of stickers that you see on here are from my shop. These strips, no spins, boxes, bows, these bill due stickers, these checklists, this header, of course, are all mine. This other little, not mine, not mine, not mine, not mine, not mine. You know what I mean? Not mine. So, you know, you get the idea. I'll definitely put the link down below. If you want to check out my Etsy shop, if you would like to also purchase this kit or purchase these expense stickers or bill due stickers. So, I'm sorry. So for Etsy, what I say, $31.95. Alrighty. So last week, what did we ended up with? Oh, you guys see that? I'm so sorry. So let's do this. So we ended up, for Etsy, I still had $100, huh? Minus the $31.95. $68.05 we have left of the Etsy. It's funny because it's business expense, but it's coming out of my pocket. I don't have a separate business account right now. I mean, I have it, you know, it's just that I'm still like a small shop owner currently at the moment, so I'm still trying to, you know, figure things out here. And then the unbudgeted, I didn't have any unbudgeted, thank goodness. So we are still looking at about $100 with that. Alrighty, so this is what I have for my weekly check-in. Doing a weekly check-in, it allows you to stay on track and allows you to see how you're doing. So far for my no spend, I am doing literally like really good. And this is for the week 7th through the 13th. So that is what I am doing there, 7th through the 13th. I know next time I said I was going to put so many boxes there, which I will. So that is my week 2 weekly check-in. I'm doing okay. I did do a little bit of shopping. You see, the first week I needed clothes, and then I did ask actually my Instagram, you know, if I want to actually add that as a spend, because clothes, you need clothes, and the lady said, you know, it really depends on, you know, the comments I receive. It really depends on what you're trying to get. I mean, do you actually need the clothes or you want the clothes, you know? So I needed the clothes. So she technically said I shouldn't penalize myself for that, but I still went shopping for some new clothes. So that's why that's still there. How I'm feeling about the no spend. Not too bad. Like I said, I'm on a 95% no spend. And I said that because I know that there's always something that you need. And that's why I always try to, you know, deliver or, you know, do what I need to do. But so far I am doing extremely well. And actually, I'm recording this in week 3. So I know how my week 3 is right now. So, but can I just say that I admire the fact that I have some no spin stickers all around here. I love these. I love my no spin stickers, you know. I really do. I love them because they just, I don't know, they just lets me know. It lets me see if I'm on track and everything. So I will say that, you know, some days are hard, but it's not really, like I said, nothing that I actually want, you know, or put myself in a position. Like, I don't even look, I try to look at nothing. I'm so serious. Even though I have tons and tons of planner family out there, and Instagram is full of planner sales and everything like that. Like, I just had a planner sale, and I also got paid scheduled on Monday from Etsy. You know, it's just little things like that. But in the meantime, I will say that I'm just got to remember to keep myself on track. As far as YouTube, as far as also trying to save $1,000, and like I said, I'm on the road to 1K with Instagram as well. So I'm sorry, Instagram, but guess what? I want to do the YouTube. I've been dealing with YouTube a lot longer than Instagram, so I want to keep working on that. So, all right, guys, that concludes this video. Thumbs up if you like this video, and also leave me a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video, which will be my paycheck video. Alrighty, guys, it's your girl Sondie signing off, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.